How valuable can a 2020 penny be? Do you think the 2020 pennies are worth money? Worth even looking for? Newer pennies struck this year. We'll talk about them right after this. We're all about coins and currency. We have new videos every day and are here to help you either start your new collection, expand an existing one, or maybe find that one valuable coin that can change your life. In this video, we will talk about 2020 pennies and see how valuable a 2020 penny can be. Newer coins, not just pennies, are usually causing a lot of confusion. Some people believe they simply are not worth a lot. In our videos, we've proved this theory wrong many times. So let's look at the 2020 pennies and their most recent values. In 2020, the pennies were struck at the Philadelphia Mint and the Denver Mint and the San Francisco Mint. They were struck in a copper-plated zinc composition and weigh 2.5 grams, which is very important to remember if you're looking for error coins. Their mintages of these coins are unknown since the production of 2020 coins continues. So, let's start with the pennies struck this year at the Philadelphia Mint. The Philadelphia Mint struck regular business pennies that we use in everyday transactions. They don't bear any mint mark. Until now, it looks like they were struck in very poor condition. Most examples we see have spots on them, and many collectors say that finding examples with clean surfaces is very difficult. Among all of the 2020 pennies struck at the Philadelphia Mint, most of them have received low mint state grades. MS means mint state, and it's followed by a numeric number on a scale of 60 to 70. And the RD after the numeric number stands for the color of the coin, and it means red. And that is the best possible color for a penny. There are 72 coins that have been graded in MS 67. And speaking of their values, the first MS 67 red penny sold at auction for $360. But the sale happened back at the beginning of this year. Since more of them have showed up for auction, the prices went down. Now you can find examples on eBay listed at $45 or even buy them cheaper on the auction format. There is only one MS-68 penny that's been graded until now, but it never sold. It would most likely sell for thousands, but like we said, it never got sold. So if you have a 2020 penny in that high of a grade, selling that now would make the most sense, because the first coin in the highest grade is always bringing the most. Some collectors collect only coins in the best grades and are willing to pay a huge premium for that coin. As for coins struck that year at the Denver Mint, they will bear a D mint mark, and they were also struck for everyday use. The situation with this penny, its condition and value, are very similar to the 2020 Philadelphia pennies. They were struck massively and in poor condition. There are no 2020 D pennies in MS-68 grade, so look for them. As for the 2020 Ds in MS-67 condition, the first one sold in June of this year at auction for $395, But now you can buy them for $60 or cheaper if you're lucky. But like we said, there's opportunity for everyone to look for a penny in a higher grade, even a half grade higher, to make thousands. If you wish to take a chance and look for them, you will need to search uncirculated mint sets. Now you might get lucky and find them in rolls of new issue pennies, but the uncirculated sets are your best choice. Now, lastly, let's look at the 2020 proof pennies struck at the San Francisco Mint that year. Now, for those new to the hobby, the difference between regular strike coins and proof coins is their finish. The regular strike is what we see in everyday coinage versus a shiny glossy finish on proof coins. These coins will bear an S mint mark and were originally sold for collectors in proof sets and silver proof sets directly from the US Mint. So, what about their values? The 2020 S proof coins are not worth a lot. On average, in the best possible grade for proof coins, Proof 70 Decam or Deep Cameo, they're selling for about $20. In fact, this coin is available on eBay for $18.95. So you won't make money on 2020 proof pennies, but you might on regular pennies struck for business use. And we have a question for you. Did you buy any 2020 mint sets? Please let us know in the comments section below. We read all of your comments. Also, please watch our video about wheat pennies. It's linked at the end of this video. You might find it very interesting. We also would like to say thank you to all of our JB Coins Inc. members. If you'd like to join our JB Coins Inc. family as a member, please follow the link below this video. We greatly appreciate your support. So we hope you liked this video and found it helpful. And if you did, please like, share, and subscribe so we can create more videos for you. Also, please remember to hit the little bell and set it so you'll be notified whenever we upload a new video or do a live stream. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.